Hello. Just thought I'd show you what I'm going to get up to today. I'm going to paint, or repaint my kitchen. So that's what I've got. And this island bench right here as well. And yeah, I've like painted all this years and years ago. Silly me chose white. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. But yeah. As you can see, they are really due for some love. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, obviously, is cleaning them because they are filthy. And I've had like some child locks and stuff on here. So yeah, it's really in need of some attention. The first time that I did this, I had no idea what I was doing. I still have no idea what I'm doing really, but I pretty much just used this and only this. I didn't prime it, I didn't seal it, I didn't really do it properly. So I'm hoping this time I'm gonna go to the effort and do it as properly as I can, or can be bothered. And yeah, I'm hoping I'm gonna get a nicer result. And I'm not doing white anymore. I forget what color I chose, but it's darker. It's like a darker neutral color. So I'm gonna use sugar soap to just give everything a really good scrub before I start sanding. But I just wanted to show you, I'm going to take off all the handles as well, because I think it's going to make my life a lot easier when I'm sanding. But not only that, but like they're all, you know, they're all gunky, so like they need some attention as well. I think they're brass, so I'm going to try the tomato sauce technique. Hopefully that works, or I don't know, maybe I'll be replacing them. So I've just finished all the sanding and cleaning up after the sanding. It's taken me about an hour and a half. I'm really lucky that this is a small kitchen. I've got all my little bits there, and I've got an island bench here that I've done as well. I will just point out to you, I have done this kitchen before. This isn't the first time. And when I did it, I actually built these like on top of just the plain cabinets that I had, and I built them out of MDF. So you can see the paint's chipped and then the water's got in and they've puffed a little bit. So I've really just tried to sand them flat as I can. And yeah, now I'm up to doing the base coat. Is that what it's called? Base coat? The primer. I'm gonna do the primer. Okay. Hopefully I can get that on before I've got to go and get the kids from school. Got all my door handles that I have here. I tried the tomato sauce method, like thinking that they were real brass. They are not real brass, and yeah, that's how they've come up. So they're quite skanky. They don't look good. And I'm sort of over the gold anyway, so I think what I'm going to do is just give them a bit of a sand and try and hit them with the Rust-Oleum spray can and just do them black and hope for the best. Oh, this is so not brass. I can't believe I thought it was. Look at that. That's just coming straight off. Oh, that's funny. So they've all been sanded and washed and now they're ready to paint. I'm just gonna use this, which is what I already have laying around in the shed. There's not very much left, so I doubt this is gonna be enough, but I'll just do what I can, and then if I have to run to the shops and grab more, I'll grab more. So this is how it's looking after 2 coats. It's not too bad. I may have made a mistake painting that pantry door. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about that pantry door. I think it just looks a bit weird. Everything that's like beneath the benches, that's fine. Like, wanted it a bit darker. But yeah, I'm just not loving that. So I don't know if it's just maybe the frame. Like, I might try and paint this part, the frame, back to something a bit more similar to the wall and see if that feels any better. But if all else fails, I think I'm just gonna paint it the same color as the walls. We'll start with the frame and see, because obviously the pantry door is gonna tie in with the whole kitchen, so I don't know. You know, sometimes you think something's a good idea and then you look at it and you go, oh shit. That's kind of what's going on here. But yeah, I've got the handles being painted black as well. I'm happy with how they're looking. I ended up changing the spray paint that I was using that was a gloss. I didn't realize the first one I used was a gloss. So I've run back and grabbed the same paint but in a matte finish, and it's looking way better. Yeah, I'm gonna do another coat. Let's get to work. I'm back with the final result. And I did end up painting this frame, and yeah, I'm much more happy with it now. That just looks way better. Once I did the 3rd coat, it just, everything looked way better. Probably could have got away with 2, but because they were so bad, I thought I'd give them 3, but yeah. It's looking really good. I'm really happy with the handles. They're matte black. And I didn't actually end up doing a third coat. I didn't end up doing the clear because I was really over it. And I don't feel like they need it. Like, they're so good. They're really good and tough. So I couldn't be bothered. I was over it. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it's come out. One thing I will say is though, I did actually take the pantry door off to paint it because it was just too hard with like doing the frame a different color. So I ended up with this, which I don't hate. Yeah, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.